Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review gaming peripherals to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting keyboard to discuss from Drop's Signature Series collection. It's the Drop Americana, a custom keyboard based on the Control high-profile keyboard. Let's dive right in. Mechanical keyboards have become increasingly popular, and you can find great options for around $100. However, if you're looking for something unique and not your average run-of-the-mill keyboard, Drop's Signature Series is worth exploring. These keyboards offer custom designs and colorways that stand out from the rest, although they do come at a premium price. The Drop Americana, priced at $349, is part of the Signature Series and is based on the Control high-profile keyboard, which normally costs $199. The keyboard boasts excellent build quality, made of aluminum with no flex in the chassis. What sets the Americana apart is its distinctive features, including the use of Drop plus in-ear Holy Panda switches, Everglide stabilizers, and custom MT3 Fairlane keycaps. The MT3 Fairlane keycaps, originally priced at $120 but currently on sale for $39, feature a two-shade blue design with a contrasting red enter key. The MT3 profile, with its shallow indents, offers a unique and enjoyable typing experience. The keyboard also includes an RGB light bar that enhances its aesthetics and allows for extensive customization. The USB-C cable can be connected on either the left or right side, providing flexibility for cable management. The standout feature of the Americana is undoubtedly the Drop plus in-ear Holy Panda switches. Priced at $95 for a pack of 90, these tactile switches provide exceptional feedback and a delightful typing experience. The combination of the stem from the Halo True switch, polycarbonate top housing, nylon bottom housing, and a 67-gram spring makes the Holy Panda switch one of the best tactile switches available. The Americana keyboard is inclined at a 6-degree angle, making it comfortable to use with a wrist rest. It is fully customizable via QMK, allowing for macros and key assignments. The hot swappable design makes it easy to change switches if desired. While the Drop Americana may not offer the best value for money, it's designed to make a statement. Built on the solid foundation of the Control keyboard, it features outstanding RGB lighting and sturdy construction. The Holy Panda switches elevate the typing experience to new heights. It's worth noting that there are other keyboards available at lower prices with similar or more features, such as the Keychron Q1 Pro or the glorious GMMK Pro. However, if you're looking for a fully assembled keyboard that stands out from the crowd, the Americana is an excellent choice. That concludes our review of the Drop Americana custom keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of gaming peripherals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.